Hi there, it's Carter with Benchmark, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the measurement tools in DJI Terra. So to begin, as you can see here, I'm just on the home screen, and I have two of my projects open there. I'm going to select a 3D sample project and open it up. You can see here there's just a 3D sample of a little island. On the right side menu there, it says Annotation and Measurements. If you go ahead and click on that right side arrow there, if you then select the distance option, you can click multiple points and create a line and calculate the distance. Once you've selected all your points, if you right click, it'll calculate the distance for you. You can then choose to save it. It's very similar for the area as well, to select all the outside perimeter edges. Once you're satisfied with all the points selected, you can just right click and then choose to save the area. And once again, very similar with the volume as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and select some points on the island here. Once I've selected all the points I want, I just right click, and then I can see it'll save the volume. I can choose between the base plane being the lowest point or the mean plane. I'm just going to leave it as the lowest point. As you can see on the right there, that's where all my saved measurements are.
That's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed watching, please subscribe. It really helps us out. If you have any other questions, you can feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or you can visit our website at bench-mark.ca. Thank you.